Jai for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate or delete your TikTok account. Not only that, also delete the app from your phone. If you don't want to use more TikTok, if you don't feel secure, in this case you can do this. You see TikTok app here, go inside the app. So it's loading, everything is fine. Go here, the profile option, hit this one. In profile at the corner option, hit this one. When you hit, it comes this option, setting and privacy, go inside. In setting and privacy at the top you see account, hit account. At account you see deactivate or delete account. Here we go, very easy, hit this one. Delete or deactivate your account, delete account permanently. So if you delete normally, they will hold your data. So better delete permanently, hit this one. The reason, if you want, I'm leaving temporary or permanently, whatever, or another reason. Here you have skip. If you don't want to answer this, you can do that, and you hit continue here bottom. They don't want to let you go easily. I hit continue here. More option because they're very stitchy. I hit continue more time. They send you a 6-digit code. Here we go. Put here the code in iPhone, very easy. Delete account. Delete. Is done. The TikTok is deleted from my phone, the account, and now the app is here. Delete this one as well. Tap this one. You see after tapping remove app, totally I hit remove app, delete app, delete, is done. The TikTok is gone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.